In front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. If you never used it before, make sure to select Allow in the pop-ups. And then before recording, click on this gear at the bottom left corner. Now you're gonna adjust all of those options however you wish to, and when you finished, go back. To start recording, use this red button at the bottom in the middle. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now to access list of all your recordings, your recorder needs to be turned off, and then this button with 3 lines will have to appear instead of the square one. To play one of your recordings, click on it. To rename it, hold it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner and hit rename. Then type in wherever you want to and hit save. Lastly, to get rid of it, you need to hold it again. And this time use the spin icon next to 3 dots, also at the top right corner. Then hit allow and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!